Hey guys, so check this out. These MotoMetal wheels I've had, this is my second set after the first set was replaced by hardcore trucks in Clearwater, Florida. This is what's happening. I got chrome peeling up. It's happening all around the valve stems. It's happening there. Just absolute poor quality to the point where this is my second set. They're less than these are about a year and 2 months old. My first set was 8 months old before it started doing the same thing, and hardcore trucks replaced them under warranty. This is my second set. So maybe 2 years and 2 months I've had these wheels on my Ram. I got a 2014 1500, and I keep it absolutely pristine clean all the time, and this is exactly what happened. I mean, I've emailed MotoMetal, I've tweeted them, I've sent messages through Instagram. It's on Steelbent Customs Instagram site about how poor quality this is, and these guys have done nothing. I mean, they're just absolute crap. I'll never buy another MotoMetal wheel product, and certainly their chrome is just pure crap. So just a heads up on that. Maybe shoot for another. I've absolutely replaced these with another brand, and I'm done with MotoMetal. Just a heads up, maybe think about some other product when you're thinking about rims. Don't go with MotoMetal. See you guys.